IB maths is easy.
The first thing we need to do to find the velocity, which is the first derivative of the displacement. This will be 4.3 times the cos of square root 3t plus 5 times 1/2 of 3t plus 5 power negative 1/2 and times 3. Simplify, we will have 6.45 times the cos of 3t plus 5 square root over the square root of 3t plus 5. So the particle first come to rest. That means the velocity will be 0. So we use GDC to solve. The velocity equals 0. So t will be 5.74 seconds. Round to 3 significant figure. We use GDC. Okay, B, the total distance travel. We have the formula. It will be the integration from 0 to 5.74 of the absolute value of the velocity. So just put everything in the calculator. And we will have 7.68 meter GDC. Number 6, discrete random variable. So the first equation we have is the total probability will be 1. So I call this one the first equation. The second equation, we will use the expected value. So 1 times k plus 2 times k squared plus 3 times a plus 4 times k cubed will be 2.3. So from 1, we will have a equal with 1 minus k squared minus k cubed. And we will use this relationship to sub into 2. So now 2 will become k plus 2k squared plus 3 times 1 minus k squared minus k cubed plus k cubed minus 2.3 equals 0. And we will use GDC to find 0 of this one. So we have k equal with 0.1316 round to 3 significant figure, GDC. And then we sub this one back into 1. So we will have a equal with 0.553. Okay, they asked to find the total surface area, and given the volume of the cylinder is 45 and the radius of the cylinder is x, and it's also the radius of the sphere. So the volume of the cylinder will be pi r squared times h equal with 45. So we will have pi x squared, h will be 45. So h will be 45 over pi x squared. So the surface area will be the surface area of the sphere plus the lateral area of the cylinder. So we will have 2 pi x times h plus 4 pi x squared. We will put x equal with 45 over pi x squared. So it will be 2 pi x times 45 over pi x squared plus 4 pi x squared. Simplify pi with pi, x with x squared. 2 times 45 is 90, so it will be 90 over x plus 4 pi x squared. That's what they ask. The total surface area has the local minimum at x equal a. So first we need to find the derivative of the surface area, which is negative 90 over x squared plus 8 pi x. And then they have to find the exact value of a, so we cannot use the calculator in this case. So it will equal with 0. So we will have negative 90 plus 8 pi x cubed equals 0. We sum everything with x squared to get rid of the denominator. So x will be 45 over 4 pi and cube root. Now they have to find the second derivative of the surface area. So this one will equal with 180 over x cubed plus 8 pi. Now they ask you to use the second derivative to justify that the surface area has the minimum. So what we want to prove that the second derivative will be positive at x equal a. So we just plug a in. So 180 over a cube plus 8 pi. A will be the cube root of 45 over 4 pi. This is a. So it will equal with 24 pi, which is bigger than 0. That's what we want. Okay, last one. They ask us to find the minimum surface area. So this is the formula of the surface area. So it will be, S min will be 90 over the cube root of 45 over 4 pi plus 4 pi times the cube root of 45 over 4 pi square. And we just put it into the calculator, and our answer will be 88.2.